Welcome back to Python interview tutorial. Here I am going to talk about how to write a Python program to check a given input is Armstrong number or not. We will first understand what is a Armstrong number. Armstrong number is a number which is equal to sum of cube of its digit. Let it be an example of 153. If I do the cube of 1, 5 and 3, 1 cube is 1, 5 cube is 125 plus 3 cube is 27. If I do the addition of these elements, 1 plus 125 and 27, we'll get again 153. So the given number is an Armstrong number. We will solve this example through the coding. Before going to start, if you first time visit this channel, then do subscribe and press the notification bell icon to get the latest update on this topic. So let us start the discussion. Now here I write a function Armstrong having the parameter n as an input to the function. Then I write a sum equal to 0 to store the result of sum. After that I'll store the variable of value n into 10. Then I'll iterate for value of n unless and until it is greater than or equal to 0. After that I have to separate out the digit. So digit is equal to temp mod 10. I'll preserve the sum. Previous sum also I have to maintain. Sum plus is equal to digit cube. So whatever the digit is separate out, I have to do the cube of that digit. Then we require a remainder value. So temp floor is equal to 10. So it will do the specific operation, that is remainder will be stored. After that, if the value of n is equal to value of sum, then we can write the given number is Armstrong number. Else the number is not Armstrong number. Then we'll call the function to verify the output. We'll pass the input 153 and we'll check. Once I execute the code and get the output, number is Armstrong number. I'll take one more input, 155. That number is not an Armstrong number. I'll take one more example, 370. This is an example of Armstrong number. So we'll get that the number is Armstrong number. So hope you understand that how to solve the problem of Armstrong number. This type of question may ask in your interview process. Hope you understand the solution of this question. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. So I'll be more happy to give the solution of your problem. Thanks for watching this video.